Yeah, so breakthrough moment, I think in my career, it's not been like there's been one spectacular moment like that. It's been a bunch of moments. In fact, every time you get an idea in advertising, it's a breakthrough moment because you're sitting thinking about what is the kind of solution that you can come up with, and then an idea just arrives from nowhere. To me, that's a continuously happening breakthrough moments, and there have been enough and more breakthrough moments. So it could have been the day I probably got into, let's say, low latest. There could be moments like, for example, when the shoot that was happening in Ooty for the launch of Daag Achhe Hain, when my bosses couldn't travel for whatever reason, and they actually such a big shoot, they felt I was responsible enough to handle it on my own. So there have been multitude of breakthrough moments, and I think it doesn't seem as big when it's happening to you, but in retrospect they all seem like huge moments. So there have been challenges. It's not like it's a smooth ride throughout, you know. So, and that's part of life because there will be a whole host of challenges. So every time you're, because every campaign that you're working on and stuff like that, there is a whole lot of factors that need to fall into place. It's not just you, because it's dependent on a whole host of things. So there are challenges, and I think going forward the challenges are going to be, because it's a very the business is evolving very fast. Things are changing rapidly, you know, mediums are changing. We are not consuming, it's not only about television and print anymore. There are multiple screens in our life, including this screen. You know, right now as we speak, I'm being shot on a phone, you know. So there are all kinds of screens that are coming into our life. We need to make sure that we are evolving with the times, and those evolutions are so subtle and so big that you have to keep up with the times. And I think that's the biggest challenge that I am foreseeing for myself and for the whole business.